There we go. Blow the cobwebs out of my ears. ReZero. I thought Attack on Titan was finished as well, but it's not, isn't it? There's another season of that coming out. There's another season of Overlord coming out. So all of these shows, I thought they were all like finished, but I was wrong. Right. Let's crack on. So this is the first song of the night. This is a streamer that Skid watches. Wise Boy, thank you very much. Thank you. That is so damn kind. Only possible because of all of you. This is a streamer that Skid watches that's just started YouTube. So let's check her out. I'm sure Skid can give you more information than I can. Wizard Freak, you're one of the only people who remembers me saying that. So yeah, One Punch is the only experience other than Attack on Titan I have in anime. And what was my impressions? I enjoyed it. I enjoyed One Punch because of the comedic element to it. But I don't remember much of it because I watched it when I was really ill and my brother just put it on. So I don't remember much, but I remember laughing a lot. Well, thank you very much, the Hero of Weird. That is so damn sweet. I'm glad you're liking the videos. '23 is gonna be all of your years. I can feel it. Can we just take care, Christina. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. Go take care. Go rest up. Skid, did you say she's Korean? Her English is damn perfect. It's amazing. Strongest Stars, thank you so much for the gifted sub. The gifted sub to the one and only Wizard Freak. Thank you very much, Strongest Stars. We can imagine how our lives will be after we've flown beyond the sun. That explains the voice, Skid. A good song to start the night, I think. Yeah, Rin, bro, I don't know if I'm going to start One Piece. I've heard it's a monster to start. Ooh, interesting. That note that she just hit. Can anyone else detect some sort of jazz, like some sort of jazz elements there? Listen to this. I guess the piano now makes kind of sense. Bit of a jazz there. What did my wife say? I'm going to be listening to this, but I'm going to move my head over here so I can blow my nose. All right, just letting you guys know. And I'm back. don't know about Lily Allen, but I definitely hear something familiar in her voice. I can't quite place what it is, but I loved it. I think she's got a really good voice. I really like her voice. I really like her style. I really love the jazz sort of sound she's got. I've already liked it, by the way. I've already liked it, which is interesting. I don't remember doing that. Oh, that's because I'm on my account. You can see all my recommendations over here. What have I got? Anyone check out any of these reaction channels? Wes and Steph. There's my video. That's my face. I know that guy. Look at him. There he is. By the way, I don't think a single one of you commented on the haircut. None of you noticed. None of you noticed. It's okay. I promised myself I wouldn't cry. Shall I leave a comment on that video? Let's say. What shall I say? Absolutely stunning voice. An old soul. There we go. As the lovely Skid said. Let's leave a comment. What should we do? Purple heart, of course. Always got to be the purple one. There we go. An old soul. Boom. There we go. Skid said. I did right at the beginning. Did you? Sorry, Colleen. Because you look good regardless. Ah, you sweethearts. I noticed the haircut. We did notice. We just say, like, did I ignore you guys? G.O.T. Games. I heard he's a weirdo. I did. I heard this guy's a weirdo. If you look. He looks so damn strange, doesn't he? Like, I heard he's a bit odd. I wouldn't click on it. It's only because he cuts it himself. Hey! Why's my wife exposing me like that? But I do cut it myself. And I'm proud to be a weirdo. Fuck you guys. I don't care. I'm staying a weirdo.